This is how we made The Sound of Violet, Day 5. Action!
Wait a minute.
We're almost done with our first week of shooting. Yesterday was very intense. We had a lot to shoot. And today is actually going to be another intense day. We have a lot of pages to shoot, a lot of shots to get off, and it might even be a record for the most that we've shot in a single day today, if we hit. So far it's been 27 setups in a day is our record. Today I think we have 30 setups planned.
My name's Tyler Roberts and I play Jake. Today we are filming the office scenes where Sean works for me.
Nobody cares about people's histories of people's audio.
All right, do you want to do a blocking?
Now come here so we can see you guys are coming in. Okay. Action.
Let me give you some advice. Love is blind, but marriage, that's an eye-opener.
Cut.
Cutting.
My name is Mara Reltian. I am portraying Tammy. She works at the dating app office with Sean. I've never seen a script like this. I've never read a story like this. There's definitely not enough of these kinds of stories that touch on so many different themes and topics that are so important and current. It's a special script. Some of you need to RSVP today.
I didn't get the invite.
Sorry, Sean. Jake's getting picky about who goes.
I won't have anything to eat or drink if that helps.
I can't do it, Sean. When Jake says no, he means no. Kind of like victims of sexual assault. No means no, people. I'll add you to the list.
But you just said no.
Shh. I hate the theme and object to it on principle, but you're a nice guy.